All right, so here we have ethyne C2H2. And again, central atom. Who's going to have the central atom? Carbon has 4 electrons, so he can make 4 bonds because he has 4 spaces available. Okay. Hydrogen has 1 electron, but he only has 1 space available because of that first quantum number. So he can only make 1 bond. So carbon's going to be your central atom. Make sure you're showing somewhere on your work that you picked what the central atom is, because that's part of the process to understand, to make sure you know what's actually happening to create these bonds. Since the carbons are the central atoms, I'm going to put them next to each other right now. So I know I have to have a carbon and a carbon bond because, again, they are next to each other. So I'm going to start with a single bond. And then my hydrogen, I'm going to put on the end because remember, we like some symmetry here. So carbon and hydrogen are going to share a single bond. So let's check. 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the hydrogen's happy with 1 valence electron and 1 shared from carbon, but the carbon is not happy. Okay? So since both hydrogens are happy, those guys are done. They have their valence and octet figured out. 1 and sharing makes 2, so they are full and happy. But the carbons are not happy, so those are the guys I'm going to have to increase the bond order. So I'm going to go up to a double bond between the 2 carbons. 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, well, I know right then and there, they do not want to just have this electron hanging out. He either needs to be in a lone pair, being this in the center, or he needs to be with a partner and bonded from another atom. So since he can't bond with hydrogen, because hydrogen's full, he has to bond with the other carbon. Okay, so now we have a triple bond order, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons shared. Let's see if we made it now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, we made valence. Now always go back and double check that you did not magically create some electrons out of thin air. Carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we are good. This was the process. And now we are going to rewrite it with the formal LDS. Hydrogen is sharing with carbon. Carbon has 3 ovals, so it has a triple bond with the other carbon. And lastly, we have carbon with hydrogen. I have no extra electrons. I don't have unbonded ones on the outer. I don't have any lone pairs on the center. So this is a nice, straight, and strong linear structure because it has that triple bond. Remember, triple bonds are shorter and stronger.